Hello friends, in this lecture we'll try to understand about the Piaget developmental theory of cognitive development. So let's know what is cognition first. Cognition is nothing but it's a mental process which an individual attain or have all the mental activities, all the mental thinking process. That is mainly refers to cognition. So we can say it refers to the inner process and the products of mind that leads to knowing. It may involve something like reasoning, problem solving, creating, fantasizing, symbolizing, and all that. Hope I'm clear. Now, Piaget cognitive development is mainly based on the four different facts. Number one, the schemas formation. Second is adaptation, which can be studied under two subheadings: assimilation and accommodation. Number third, organization. And number fourth is disequilibration, that can be further classified into two subheadings, that is equilibrium and disequilibrium. So let's firstly understand about schemas. What does actually it refers to? So schemas is nothing but it's a basic building block of thinking. Suppose a child noticed a cat, and that cat is producing a sound that is meow, meow. So at that moment, that basic scene, the scenario has created a thought process inside the brain of children. So schemas are nothing but it's a specific psychological structures, I can say, helping a child to organize the ways of making sense of experience. It's a basic thinking, it's elementary thought which a child develops after seeing any object. That is schema. Hope I'm clear here. Now, after schema, disequilibrium works when the child again noticed a cat, but the cat is in calm position. Cat is not producing any sound. So here develops a state of disequilibrium, discomfort in learning the, I can say, in recognizing that still the concept which the child has already built is right or wrong. Is they are cat or something else. So it's disequilibrium is nothing but it's a conflict, I can say, or discomfort experienced while constructing the schema. It's a state of discomfort, but after reinforcement by their peer group, by their parents, mother, father, and anyone, children came to know about the fact that the structure, the cat, which I have seen previously, is the same thing here, which right now I am saying. So it's a state of equilibrium. So equilibrium is nothing but it's a comfortable state of child in learning the things. That is equilibrium. And just after equilibrium, assimilation works. It's a adding new concept to learn already learned concept. That is assimilation. Now that child will able to recognize the cat properly. That cat have 2 ears, a complete building block develops inside the brain of the children. That is assimilation. Suppose next time the child had seen a dog in a barking mode, in a barking situation, is barking. But at that moment, he is not able to recognize that whether he or she is cat or a dog. So again, a state of disequilibrium develops. After reinforcement, equilibrium develops, and later on, he came to know about the fact that He or she is not a cat, he is or she is a dog. Hope I'm clear. So accommodation is a process of revising the learned concept to fit the new information received. So if I organize the things in a systematical manner, how our brain works, firstly schemas develops, after that state of disequilibrium may come, after that equilibrium develops, we came to know about the fact in a comfortable mood, after that assimilation occurs. Assimilation is a build concept, adding new concept to the already learned concept. Already learned concept here means development of schemas firstly occur. After that assimilation. Assimilation is a product of disequilibrium and equilibrium. After disequilibrium and equilibrium, the state of equilibrium inside our brain, assimilation takes place. And after assimilation, accommodation will work. Accommodation is a revising concept to fit the new information which we have received. That is accommodation. And finally, organization takes place. Organization is sum total of all the concepts which children experienced. It's overall concept, organizing the things in a systematical manner. Hope I'm clear. And after organization, that child will able to differentiate between they have clear-cut differentiation between a cat and a dog. That is a state of brain that is called as organization here. So hope I'm clear. Number one, schemas develops, later on disequilibrium, after that equilibrium, later on assimilation, final accommodation, and finally organization takes place. So according to Piaget, these are the cognitive development, how cognition works, how our thinking process works, how we learn the things. So in another video, we'll discuss about the whole psychological scene of Piaget which he has given. Actually, Piaget was a biologist, but he has very much interest in psychology. That's why he has worked on children. Firstly, he has worked on a sparrow albino, later on mollusk, and finally on children, and given a very concrete concept, I would say. But they have controversies also, although it's accepted worldwide. So next video we'll discuss about different Piaget's theories, Piaget's thought process concepts about the children. Has classified that in 4 different stages. So later on we'll discuss in next video. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.